I basically found awesome ways to generate up to $5,678 every month using tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. You can go ahead right now and test it for yourself. Alright, the first step to make passive income with ChatGPT is to create high-quality content. ChatGPT can help you do this by generating unique and engaging content for your blog, social media channels, or YouTube channel. Here are a few tips on how to use ChatGPT to create high-quality content. Identify your target audience. Before you start creating content, you need to know who your audience is. Use ChatGPT to generate buyer personas and understand their pain points, challenges, and goals. Choose your topics. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for your blog posts, social media posts, or videos. Make sure the topics are relevant to your target audience and provide value. Write your content. Use ChatGPT to generate content for your blog posts, social media posts, or videos. You can also use ChatGPT to edit your content and make it more engaging. Optimize your content. Use ChatGPT to optimize your content for SEO. ChatGPT can help you identify keywords and phrases that will help your content rank higher in search engines. By using ChatGPT to create high-quality content, you can attract more followers, increase engagement, and ultimately, make more money. If you enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button. Next thing you have to do is maximizing your earnings with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. Now that you know how to create high-quality content with ChatGPT and monetize it with Midjourney AI, it's time to maximize your passive income potential. Here are a few tips on how to do this. Create evergreen content. Evergreen content is content that remains relevant and valuable over time. By creating evergreen content, you can continue to generate passive income long after you've created it. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for evergreen content, such as tutorials, guides, and how-to articles. Repurpose your content. Repurposing your content can help you reach a wider audience and generate more passive income. For example, you can turn a blog post into a YouTube video or a podcast episode into an ebook. Use Midjourney AI to identify repurposing opportunities and create new content formats. Build your audience. The larger your audience, the more passive income you can generate. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for building your audience, such as social media campaigns, email marketing, and influencer partnerships. Track your results. To maximize your passive income potential, you need to track your results and optimize your strategies accordingly. Use Midjourney AI to analyze your data and identify areas for improvement. By following these tips, you can maximize your passive income potential with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. With the right strategies in place, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.